Cheese on toast, but with a bit of an upgrade. Today we're making pizza toasts, and I'm going to make a really quick and easy pizza sauce. Now you can use store-bought pizza sauce if you prefer, but I always find that the rest of the jar never gets used. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by toasting the bread. First of all, we're going to lightly toast 4 thick slices of bread on both sides under the grill. So whilst that bread's toasting, we're going to make the quick pizza sauce. First we add in a tablespoon of tomato puree or paste in the USA to a small bowl. We're also adding in 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, a teaspoon of olive oil, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now mix all that together. Spread that pizza sauce on the toast slices right up to the edges. Now we're going to add our toppings. I've got 150 grams, which is about 1.5 pack cups of grated mixed cheese. So sprinkle that all over the toast. I'm also adding little pieces of pepperoni and sliced cherry tomatoes. Now place that back under the grill until the cheese is melted and bubbling, which should take about 3 minutes. Remove from the oven and serve topped with a sprinkling of dried oregano and some chopped spring onions. There we go, 15-minute pizza toast. You can top it with whatever you want. I guarantee the kids are going to devour this. I'm not even going to get a look in. See you next time.